Good morning everyone, I am Amolek. I study in 7th grade and today is the day 76th of getting fluent in English of the 90 days. And today, as you all know, it is about the Spain defender, the king of the defend, the 2.0 Sergio Ramos, the Raúl Asensio. Raúl Asensio is the Spain defender king, but as he is in Real Madrid and the Carvajal is facing the injury, so he is alone with the Spain team and all the Spain players are not talking to him too much because there are 7 Barca players in the Spain, but only 2 players are there from Real Madrid in the Spain, and also the Carvajal and Raúl Asensio in those both. Carvajal has having the injury. Now let's talk about the Raúl Asensio. He's a fantastic player who is playing for Real Madrid regularly and he's not stopping even once. As we all know, when it was Real Madrid versus Man City, the defending shown by Raúl Asensio was commendable, and the shot by the Haaland and the save by the Asensio, the dive which he made was commendable, and we can't say anything. We were not having even one word to say because of his amazing shot. Now he was born in 2003 and the date was 13 January. Now he is 22 years old. When he was 20 years old, when he just joined the Real Madrid, before that also he was in the youth team, but when he joined the professional team where the Vinicius and Mbappe and Rudiger, all of them are there. Rudiger also plays the centre back and Asensio also plays the centre back. It is a very good, they both are very good defenders, and let's see who wins another Champions League. This time it was for PSG, but I hope that now we are having the Xabi Alonso also in the training session. Xabi Alonso, as I have made a video on Xabi Alonso also, all the data of Xabi Alonso is there right in that video. You must watch it. And Xabi Alonso in the training session was playing commendable, and he was it was looking like he would come to the ground and play with the players, but it's not so. He's just the manager, and this time we hope so that Real Madrid will win all the trophies, and this time it will be their best luck which they had in their future. Now when it was Ronaldo was there and Zidane was the manager, it was the epic team and Ozil was also there, but now it is we are watching it in a different way, but the same formation would be there and the same not the same coach, the Xabi Alonso would be there. Now I am giving you the guarantee that Real Madrid will win the Champions League, the next Champions League which would be coming. Now we were talking about the Raúl Asensio. Raúl Asensio has Raúl Asensio is just 22 years old. When he was 20 years old, when he just joined the Real Madrid, his work which he did in the Real Madrid was not very good. He was just doing a normal defending which any other player of any other team was doing. But now he is having a drastic change and he is doing commendable defending. Now let's see that what happens in the other tournaments, and just leave a good luck for the Raúl Asensio in the comment box. Now that was it in the video today. I hope you like it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and thank you for watching.